I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't.
So we just landed. We just got our car. Alicia, we're doing intros. Brittany, and I'm very stressed. Joelle. Okay, first stop. You see it. You see it. You see it. Majaritos. It's also horchata.
I love how
Yeah.
when people would ask about you,
I got a burrito.
they was like, they kept talking about accent. Accent, y'all have the accent, right? You thinking what do you sound like you're from Queens? I'm like, sure. There was. I got bored.
Oh.
Oh, but those forms look like you're also.
The silence is saying it all.
I was trying to say silence is normally a good sign.
Right.
No, I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. What? Say wow.
We're going to give it a 10 out of 10.
Like, if we go to Texas, we might
give
have
it.
back on.
Is it not on?
I give it a 9.2.
I give it a 10 out of 10. Out of burrito. Ate it up. What do we give it?
I would say a very solid 9. I'm a
9.
chocolate girl.
What's it called? Taco Bar?
Right there. I'm dead. Now we're off to Trader. We're gonna get groceries for the B&B. We're at the Joe's. The Traders. Trader.
We're the rich, even a small letter game. We're the booty. You try to feel the changes. I can feel the new beat.
Successful
I'm
trip.
gonna pull in right here.
The bags are secured.
Like,
We getting our in and out.
Is this mine, ma'am? Thank
yeah,
you.
that has to be the one. I think I see
I have
pickles.
so many peppers in here.
Let me get them all. Banana pepper.
We gotta get
Yeah.
the back, cause y'all got some nice level stuff back here.
That flying Dutch.
Yeah, Tammy, get a little drippy drip.
You gonna let me have a bite?
I'm not mad at this.
Eat, ugly.
Jen is literally so quiet. You're literally like,
Down the hill.
we're still
Kinda like
moving.
dying right now. Okay, good.
Would you like a bite?
Thank you, but hell no. Me and In-N-Out is retired.
Fair.
Yeah, I think I'm retired now. I definitely
No,
am
this
okay off.
Retired?
Let me see it. Oh, see, I'm good. You want more of this burger?
Our car is a spaceship, by the way. We're discovering new features
As we go.
by the minute.
Everyone people here, you know why we probably look different? We don't dress like them. They dress like they're from the South. I like y'all. Y'all's vibe is different. And we'd be like, yeah, because we're from New York. We're not.
We're not
Are you from
like
New York
this,
even?
y'all. You
And
get
they're like, I
away.
knew it.
You get in a
We're the rich, even a small letter game. We're the booty. You try to feel the changes. I can feel the new.
So we've arrived. This is our little neighborhood for the week. Well, not even the week. This is it for 2 days. She's so cute. Got a little like seating area in the front. Ooh, she's pretty. Yeah. Kitchen. Her. Oh, look at the view.
They got spices.
Look at the view. Hope you wash the dishes.
They probably have every condiment but mayo. They probably have what is relish? Oh, yeah, they do have
We have a cool little dining table. And then a little. Oh, this is cute. Let me open this. Here's the ping pong table. Oh, we have a fire pit? We should have got marshmallows. I'm definitely allergic to marshmallows. Oh, they have these for the hammock. Yeah, this is like an outdoor patio area. I'm not gonna go out there right now. It's a little chilly. And now there's a nice bean bag. We have a fire pit.
We do?
Yes. We could have got marshmallow. Oh, I can't.
We still can get marshmallows, but bitch, you allergic.
Shit is hard to close. Nice. This is one room. Very nice. Close it. And then this bedroom and this bedroom. Oh, it's like a tour in here. Oh, this is here. So we just got in. We had a good little grocery run. So I'm putting up the groceries. This kitchen is too cute. Finally figured out these lights. This, the wine.
Oh yeah, do we want the wine tonight?
We're back again. Oh no. I'm currently getting ready to go out for dinner. Can't see it. But I'm about to do my makeup. Using this. It helps exfoliate.
Energy from two planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I was sharing, but today I'm killing. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul.
I get a towel so I don't mess this up because I'm literally wearing live.
Living deep in my heart, wear it on top of my sleeve in a flick. I can admit that it didn't like yours. Why you resent? Have you making a fence? Tell me your purpose is steady again. But even a small light, they can't burn a bridge. Even a small light, they can't burn a bridge. I can feel the changes. I can feel the new people around me. Just want to be famous.
We're Mariposa. Mariposa. I need to stop doing that. I've been doing that this whole day. Mariposa.
It's a girls' trip or
Yeah.
We're waiting at the bar to get seated.
Can we do ASMR?
And click. Mustard on the beat, yo.
ASMR.
Pretty, you look so cute.
The body glitter is body glitter.
Never thought it would elevate it so. Oh, it's so good.
Yes, thank you. Get my apple pie ready.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cynthia. Happy birthday to you. Bury the mirror.
Just woke up. Me and Alicia are the only ones up right now. You see how no one else is up? No one. We have a 3-hour drive. It's vacant. Oh, I'm putting eggs on a croissant. Throw that bitch in a toaster.
So during this drive, we actually experienced every season you can think of. We drove through a blizzard, we drove through a rainstorm. So if you're coming around this time, be prepared. We're currently at Birdhouse, getting us some chicken. What you get?
I got some. Do you want a leg? Should I get 2 legs? Yeah. Okay. I want 2 legs.
I got a chicken sandwich.
Bro, this shit too. Sorry. My bad.
We don't recommend the straws, but
Right. You had a margarita?
no.
Yo, I want to try it. This cup gotta move though. This cup. How did I not know that's ours? Gotta make sure you're sure. Wait, let me send him the picture of the Oh, you're eating. I don't pay.
But today I'm killing. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
We are about to leave Cottonwood and head to
The Miners Cafe?
I didn't have my mic yesterday, so I tried to get some clips, but
No?
she a little scarce. Not gonna lie.
So we're going through
But we
Wingfield?
just did the Antelope Canyon yesterday, and today we're going to the night. Find a breakfast place before we leave,
I'm just searching up
but the car's packed up, and we're about to be on the road for an hour and
We're going
45.
through Wingfield, so
What we're gonna eat first.
look over there.
So I'll see you when we figure out what we're eating.
I always knew life can be dangerous. I can say that I like a challenge. To me, it's painless. You don't know what pain is. How can I paint this picture when the color blind is hanging? Which fell on my face and I woke with a scar. Another mistake living deep in my heart. Wear it on top of my sleeve in a flick.
So we're currently
Where we at? Thanks a latte. It's a latte. He's adventurous. He's outside.
Where are you?
So a white man gave me this, and I flipped it, and it says, we're gonna have to blur out that man's number. They're gonna blow.
Y'all gonna find this
They're
man.
gonna
We're gonna
find
blow
him.
out everything.
So a business card. He was like, "Hello, I think you're beautiful," and then dashed away.
Look, we already got it. Clocked it.
There's Nick, and I was like, "Oh." I thought it was like modeling. I thought he was the waiter. I thought it was something else. That man is 28. I'm 20. How old am I? I'm 24. We're waiting on our food. I got me a chai latte with caramel and a sandwich with mushrooms because no sausage, unfortunately. Right, a substitute, because I don't eat that swine. I feel like tofu wouldn't eat as a substitute, like a plant-based meat or something. Or literally turkey. Like, I feel like every breakfast place has turkey. Sausage. We'll update you when the food gets here. What do we rate it?
Solid 9.6.
What do we give you? 9.8.
A good 9.
My chai. What did you get, Brittany?
Have a cookie butter mocha latte. We're gonna see what this is about. Little biscuit.
Remember when I told you last night that the
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Wait, bacon and egg?
Oh, that's sorry. I heard egg and I was just like,
I'm trying to steal your sandwich.
Right. You can have that bacon. Thank you.
I literally can't. Thank you. We're gonna do a little taste test.
got an egg sandwich?
Yeah, with mushrooms.
You asked her for bacon alternative. Oh, and she said it was okay.
Yeah.
Like, it's okay. So I was like, I don't have. What would you rate her?
I give her a 10 out of 10.
Oh my god, this is great.
Yo,
Once
that's
you try
so
it, let
good.
us know. Take your shit in vibrant mode.
Oh my god, too good.
All right, let's see what this little coffee butter is about.
Let's see what's giving for bread.
Oh, she's so classy. We feeling. 10 out of 10. Oh,
She got us. She got me.
It's so good. With slobs.
Energy from two planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I was sharing, but today I'm feeling. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
So we just arrived to B&B 2. Look at that view. It's literally a mountain down our block. Our cactus. Front door. It's me.
So it was pretty loud during this part, so this is the living room. Then we have the dining area with the fireplace in the corner. Then here's me just turning the light on for a better view. Then here we have the kitchen. Nice fridge. Some snacks and coffee and tea essentials. A closet in the hallway with an actual steamer. We were excited about that. The first place we stayed at did not have one. Here's another closet with some towels. Moving down the hallway on your left, it is the first bedroom. Had a nice little vanity. There was also a closet. Then we go across the hall to the first bathroom. Very nice bathroom with the sliding door shower. And there's me. There's also 2 mirrors. We also provide soap and shampoo if you're into that. Then when we go across the hall, there's another bedroom. This has 2 twin beds. This room also led us to the back door patio where it was a grill and like a table. We spent some time here. Then when you go across the hall, there's the last bedroom. This room had a closet that doubled as an office space. There was a window that looked out to the back patio. There's the queen bed. And this room also stores the last bathroom. Same setup as the previous, sliding door shower and a double mirror.
The Phoenix girls are dressing a lot better than
They are.
Sedona girls. So this is kind of. Oh, come on. Okay, queen. My bitch was nasty. This is a beautiful mom. She's big. She's clean. She got the name brand and the regular. I don't think.
Yes, my Fenty. Got my gift card. Should we do a little haul? We should. We can do it when we get home. When you can really see it. But she's cute.
She's so good. So good.
Ooh.
I want to try her. You got her?
Shaky shaky.
No, that's not enough.
Shaky shaky. Y'all see this? It looks like a whole volcano.
We're ready for Toca Maria. Yeah. Toca Maria. You see the big. See the booty. The boots.
I'm going to bring my little sticky thing.
Ooh, purr. Everybody look good. Too good. We definitely need a picture. We're running right on time.
Oh, my, let me pee.
Hello. Hello. Red boot.
Neptune.
Oh.
Nice. You should know that.
Nitrogen, you nerd.
We're in Toca Maria. It's loud as fuck. Got our drinks. The food is good. calamari got bodied, salsa got bodied. We're waiting for our actual, entrees now. And we're going out after this. We just got some info about the nightlife from our waitress. And she recommended us to go to Hi-Fi and Riot in the downtown, old Scottsdale actually. And apparently there's golf carts in Arizona that can take us there. So we're gonna see what that's about. So yeah.
I can feel the new people around me, just want to be famous. You can see that my name they found me, then put me on the stage. To me, that's amazing. To you, that's a quick check without disrespect. Let me say this. I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't.
My 2 tacos. I don't like steak, but this bitch is awesome. Very well seasoned. I love cilantro. That's all on top of this taco. There's pineapple, and there's cheese. The steak is seasoned very well. This might be the first time I actually like steak. It's that good.
I can feel the new people around me, just want to be famous. You can see that my name they found me, then put me on the stage. To me, that's amazing. To you, that's a quick check without disrespect. Let me say this. I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone.
Hello. Finally, we're on the way to get the pastries and breakfast stuff. We're still hold this down till brunch because we're about to go horseback
So I'm gonna give you guys a horse's name.
Okay.
So if you just give me your first name, I'll give you your horse's name.
Don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I was sharing, but today I'm killing. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul and you can find.
We're back from Ponderosa Stables. She was fun. But now we're about to go to brunch.
We're the rich, even the small that again, we're the rich. I can feel the changes. I can feel the
Here's the menu.
That's amazing. To you, that's amazing.
This is gonna be my mimosa flight. Getting her. Getting shrimp and grits. And you can get a side of catfish. Warm it up.
Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone.
So my friend ordered the banana Foster pancakes, and the chef comes out and makes it right in front of you.
I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I was sharing, but today I'm killing. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 Trying to keep it alive and not compromise the feeling we love. You're trying to keep it the pot and only goes sour radio does. And I'm in the right pasture.
So we're back. Let me tell you, this price is not a joke. But let's talk about this food.
This is shrimp and grits. It's the catfish, the side of catfish. Which one? These shrimp and grits, bro. Some places put like the tail on the shrimp and it pisses me off, so now I gotta take the shell off the shrimp as I eat the grits and I hate that shit. They don't have the tail on this shrimp. And it's so rich. I literally got French hot. I don't want to touch it. Send vlog. I'm a little vlog. This shrimp and grits is different. It's rich. It's creamy. I think it's crab meat in this too. Oh my god.
Oh my god. My Shayla.
Hi Shayla. Let me try the catfish for y'all. Yes, guys! We're gonna be knocked out in a few minutes.
So right here I'm offering my friend some of my grits because she just had that big pancake with the ice cream and all that, so she needed some salt. But we all completely forgot that she just recently had an allergy test and she's allergic to shrimp.
Oh, you didn't have a spoon. Okay, I take it back. Where's the brunch set? I got the Benedict short rack rib and the flights. This is the second set of drinks. That's rated 1 out of 10. It's good. It's giving 10. Oh. That was intense. Take one, plate. You gotta get down an 8. You got it? Like to drink this thing, that you get it down an 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was pretty good.
I don't ever want to be in brunch again in my life. Wait, what's the license plate? Like, what are we looking for? Brunch definitely won. Oh, he's doing his big one. Woo! Oh my god! Did y'all see that? We just woke up. Brunch definitely won. Now we want to go see the sunset. And we're out. We took a little nap. And and we're gonna go see this fucking sunset. So we just got to where it's called a hole in the rock. That's the hole in the rock. And we about to climb it before the sun sets. We're gonna get that good footage. Wow. How are we gonna get in here? Be careful.
I can feel the new people around me just want to be famous. You can see that my shit they found me, then put me on the stage. To me, that's amazing. To you, that's a quick check with all disrespect. Let me say this. I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me.
Oh, there's a bathroom in here too. There's a bathroom.
Did you find the slushies?
It should be on the other side, I think. Because it's not on this side.
She working, bro.
Oh, blood.
Single mom who works two jobs.
She's dead.
making that shit, bro.
Late night recap. Currently eating a Caesar salad and the rest of my catfish from brunch.
Today drained me.
Horseback riding. We went to brunch. Brunch 1. When I tell you we came here and everybody knocked out. But I didn't knock out. I took literally like a 20-minute nap. We got up and I was like, let's go see the sunset. Because we had to. And there was this thing called like Hole in the Rock. And it's like a viewpoint where you could literally sit and see and like observe. It's like an observation deck vibe, but it's natural. It's like literally in a hole. Not mine. Not mine. So we went there, and then I'm weak. I don't even know who got to watch. I don't even remember who got to watch.
Bitch, you still eating?
Yes.
Been here for hours.
I took a break and I was on my phone. And we're giving a vlog recap. Today drained me.
Today drained me.
Truly. That's a quick trip. Got my icicle. That little, you know, with the Atlanta girlies be doing. With the creamsicle. Did that. She was delicious. I'm getting a large tomorrow. And Quick Trip is fire. I didn't know Quick Trip had all that stuff.
I thought Tamara was bad.
And grabbed some like pizza from Pizza Shop. And this is where I got the salad from. And we just came home. I have a very early day tomorrow. We're doing hot air balloon. Sunrise. So we gotta be up like 4 a.m. That's pretty much it for tonight. I ain't doing nothing else. So I'll see you tomorrow. It's time to get in that balloon.
I had a sign, it got worse because of my allergy.
Oh.
And basically it was something I took for 10 days straight to get rid of it.
Definitely allergic to
But
sugar.
I see him again in like 2 weeks
Oh.
or a week.
It's so interesting that it's like the day after. It's not like directly after.
It's usually the day after, yeah.
That's interesting. It's like, wait, you kind of allergic, but like, we're gonna tell you later
But
though.
I'll tell you later. We can talk later.
It's 4 a.m. We're getting ready for this damn air balloon. They blowing up the balloons. They're everywhere.
Alright guys, enjoy the weather.
I'm just be right here.
My vlog.
Oh, that's actually burning my head.
Oh, Lord.
Now there's other balloons over there.
I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music, I was sharing, but today I'm killing. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 Look inside of my soul, and you can find gold and make me get rich. Look inside of your soul, and you can find out that every experience is I can feel the change.
Alright guys, little bounce.
Little bounce. Brittany. Oh.
Oh, you can stand up.
Not too bad.
Like the bat signal. And down she goes. gone 85 before, but I wouldn't want to do that in this balloon.
They don't give you tickets for that? You got your foot in that hold though, right? That was very graceful.
I'll let you go next.
Oh, okay.
Just help the passengers get out.
Can you hold this grip?
Ask for it.
Thank you.
Sweet.
Sorry, who did I kick? Sorry.
Yes, we usually go.
We're sitting down to eat our brunch.
Make it lighter, bigger. Got to the point where it could lift a lot of weight, so they tied it to a wicker basket. They got already checking off that bucket list. And happy anniversary and happy birthday, guys. Cheers!
Cheers!
Cheers, happy birthday.
It's a brand new balloon. Brand new balloon with USA Britain. And I got out of the balloon and I handed her the red line. I said, hold this. Now I worked so hard. I did my work. Joelle, I knew today was your birthday, so I stayed up all night.
Oh my goodness.
Cake. You believe that? I got some oceanfront pie. Now, before you answer that, it's got to be good, okay? No half-assing this.
Right.
Okay. Production quality, happy birthday.
No, you
I'm
got
actually going to have
the
to
right
stage. My
group.
voice will probably crack. No, I'm just joking. All right, guys. We got Joelle over here. Joelle.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joelle. Happy birthday to you.
Guys, this is that was the easy. Flying the bigger balloon, no problem for me at all. The hardest part to adjusting to flying out here, serving the cake. Back home, we don't serve cake because I'm landing in people's driveways and backyards and farms.
They coming out with pictures.
Yeah. It's usually shotguns. I've had one shotgun.
That's did you have to give them a bottle
The guy had a shotgun. That's pretty much it. Yeah.
Engage.
We have had we had one balloon get shot at, which is a federal offense. That guy's in prison.
I'm not right. That's dangerous.
Look waves.
Yeah, I don't know if he's still there, but that was about.
Oh, you really? Okay, bird. I like it. Cinnamon apple glaze.
It's so good. I'm not driving.
Have you ever been in the air in
This isn't fair. You might have to come back around with that bunk cake.
Right.
Yeah. I still do some.
Actually,
I need a recipe
and I need more apple. Yes.
Yeah, where y'all get this
I have
from?
the door. I have one that has a handicap. I don't think he'll fly with less than 18. My guess on a Sunday, he probably had 20 to 24.
Wow. That's a lot of people.
Hey, jeez.
We have a balloon that's 20 to 25.
The three of us.
I don't know. We had 6 balloons, and I think only 2 of them flew.
Wow. We were lucky.
We were lucky.
So we are lucky.
Just girl.
If they go out.
Guys, there's an expression in ballooning. If you come home smelling like propane, which is the fuel used, and champagne, then you had a good day. So here we are. You know? That's why I stay over here and hang out with you guys.
750 pounds?
Yeah. So back home, I fly that small. I can't remember. They used to have it. Maybe just a little.
Just a little.
He hates the cold. He moved from.
Just tanned a little. Here. Ooh. We just tanned a little. Now we're gonna get food. This is after the hot air balloon, which is really good, by the way. I recommend. But we're gonna go get some tacos. It's hot. My God, damn. We have a little yard, so. Tacos secured.
Safety.
And too good.
What's the name of the place? Tacos Sajuero. Sajuero.
It's literally right here.
Sajuera.
I'm fucking dead.
Suajero, no, Suajero.
10 out of 10.
Apple tree.
So far, this is really good. So we know the tacos about here.
I'm gonna be a little weird and park backwards. Oh, not weird, but it's actually better. I want Chipotle sauce on the tacos.
What is it? Is it like?
It's Chipotle.
Is it mayo?
Outside I've ever seen.
I'm calling.
Its head was red, its body was blue.
There's a base over here.
Oh, that's like
Made a whole school for that.
Western manners.
Right.
What?
Right. Be like, actually, I have scoliosis. Well, I would be lying for my kid. My child has scoliosis, and I didn't want to disclose it with the school because it wasn't life-threatening. But now you're threatening my child.
Pork.
What? Is it? That's not pork. What did you get? What did you get? That looked like
Oh, like, I don't know. It don't look like steak though. Asada.
That doesn't look like steak. This is
Look
steak.
like steak. That steak is brown.
Here, take this
Put that
one.
out.
I don't want it.
Spit that out.
Take this one though.
You got al
That looks like
pastor?
chorizo. When people say New York has the best
Super spit that out.
water filtration system, they mean that shit. Cause that water,
Here.
that water tastes like
Honestly, I would rinse that out and spit it out over there.
both. This, I had drunk that Pure Life. Wait,
How do they mix that up?
No, because I started biting and then I looked over and I saw how brown that was. I was like,
that water has to be sourced from here.
that's.
Yeah, the water is getting sourced from.
1000%. I don't know how that ended up in her.
Sin.
What's the other thing you got? Oh, that's fish. Don't know.
I said asada, but
It
it said steak.
Did we
It
just
don't even look like this at all. Like,
What's
that
this
was
one?
straight. This is fish.
Oh, okay.
that shit look like
They're gonna
pineapple?
veggie taco.
And the other one beside, like the way y'all was positioning y'all head too.
Wait, that's crazy.
We're currently on a hike. Oh, where's my mic? We're on a hike. I left my mic, so I gotta scream. It's a little lake over here. I'm not getting no pictures in this. I need to be on alert. This looks sketchy. Hot as hell.
Oh, Brittany, you want water too? Does it say alley cat? It does. That changes. Beach volleyball? They got bowls over there. I wish I would play this. That's supposed to come like this. Somebody behind you.
Clapping. This is post hike treat. Got Thai tea, vanilla, matcha ube vanilla.
Mountain cat. Strawberry matcha.
Real tasty, real good. I'm about to shower. Back from the hike. We're gonna go to downtown Phoenix and see what that's about because we went to Scottsdale and it was okay. Actually, let's talk about that. Scottsdale has like promoter culture, so like there was people walking up to us like, oh hey, I have a section that's VIP. Come, you don't have to pay for nothing. And it's like we fell for it once, and then after that, well, first of all, they were being weird in that section. Like it was some white guy for one. I wasn't with it, but we were just trying to see, I guess, what the vibes were. Empty club. Nobody was there. Like the music was okay. I think it was more so trying to get people into the club. But then after a while, like it got weird. Like two other people came, like two guys came, and it was an old like white Italian man. He was like, yeah, I'm an old school Italian, and if I was single, and he was like, he could be my father's age, like. What are you talking about? And then he was talking about he liked feet, and then he told me he likes my friend's feet. He loves it. So I don't know if that's like and then a girl also saw us in the club and just randomly was like, oh, let's go to a different club. I know a place we can go to. It's like it gave promoter. It was in another spot. Another guy was like, oh, you're not from here. Oh, I could get you into this club. It was just very promoter, old head vibes. It wasn't. The music was okay. Let's see what downtown Phoenix gives. Yeah.
I got my drink, I got my music, I was sharing, but today I'm feeling bitch don't kill my vibe. 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 Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul and you can find out in every existence. I can feel the changes. I
Wilderness. I believe that's what this place is called.
Who also got it?
I did. Thank you.
You look good. Thank you. I like your hair.
Oh, you're pretty.
I got garlic only. Oh, fries. Now your whole finger's there. And they did wash and showed up the pork.
Yeah,
Showed up the pork.
oh yeah, Sin's like, yeah, I don't want this.
The swine that we don't do that over there.
It's nothing but swine.
And then we got
What's that? I had a burger. And I want to try that.
we're going to the stream. Whatever that means.
Burn the bridge, even that small lady can't burn the bridge. I can feel the changes. I can feel the new people around me just want to be famous. You can see that my shady found me, then put me on the stage. To me, that's amazing. To you, that's a quick check with all disrespect. Let me say this. I am a sin.
It's the other alley though, right? You're trying to find this spot.
That's why we needed the arcade part of it.
We're playing darts right now. Look at this. Look at this shit. It's right there. Bro, that shit is right there. Update. What do you give downtown Phoenix compared to Scottsdale?
I mean, Scottsdale actually had clubs. Downtown Phoenix was like catch a
Chill
vibe, catch a
vibe.
bar.
Good music though.
Yeah, better music. 'Cause
Way better
I don't know
music.
what the fuck was going on in Scottsdale. Those
They was just
fucking
playing
freaks.
like annoying shit that
Right.
they play everywhere. But every bar we went to today, they had good music. I feel like if we went on a Saturday, it would still be a chill vibe though.
Right. Like something nice, calm, simple.
Yeah,
Everybody is catching a nice little
a
vibe.
nice vibe.
Scottsdale was
I like
scary.
my
That shit was
Yeah.
That's
It was a vibe though. We went to a place called
Valley Bar.
Valley Bar. Thank you. I literally said Valley something. The Valley Bar was a vibe. They have darts, they have board games, they got pool, they got shuffleboard. The DJ was a black woman and she ate. She was playing good ass songs, like all the songs I know.
All the songs I know.
Sade, she was playing. What else? She played Anxious by Genuine.
I heard that.
She played. What else she played? It was definitely good music. But what's her name? The DJ. Pootie Cat?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is that.
It's Pretty Cat.
Cootie Cat? Cootie Cat. Or Pootie Cat. She's in Philly. I said Philly. Oh my god, she's in Phoenix.
This old ass shit.
But now we have to pack up. Tomorrow's our last day. Our flight is at 10 p.m. So we have another day, but we don't know what we're doing just yet. We're gonna figure that out. But we have to pack up the car and check out at 11. So yeah. It's the last day.
I'm bringing it in case I can.
Thank you. I'm dying in the inside.
What, are you dying?
My stomach just hurts, so.
Tamara's stomach hurts too.
The last day in Phoenix. We're all packed up. We gotta check out at 11, literally in like 30 minutes. But we're gonna go get breakfast and figure out what we're doing for the day because our flight doesn't leave till 10 at night. So we have the whole day. We just don't have a B&B, so we can't do anything too like crazy because we can't shower or change. It's like you wear this fit and like bring something to change real quick. We might go to like a quick trip and just put on our airplane fits because it's cold in New York and it's like 80 degrees today. So but we're probably gonna figure out what we're gonna do for the day at breakfast. But so far it's giving like hike or spa or both because we could take a shower at the spa and we don't want to be musty on the plane. So once something's figured out, I will come back and check in. My mic died last night,
So some of the night clips have no audio because I thought it was working and it wasn't. But it probably won't be like a mic tip a day because I think I have to charge those mics, and I think one of them works, but the other one is in and out or something like that. But yeah. We are leaving. Ja. Bitch do not roll. Like, my suitcase is dumb as hell. It's so nice today. Today's the hottest day of the trip, which is sad. But we're here till 10. Not so. You know what I'm gonna miss the most? This right here. This view. Like, imagine this down the block from your house. At the end mountain. Back to the house. The sun is blessed. We're in Old Town Scottsdale. It's so pretty down here.
Anytime I think it's
We're at a candy shop we found on the strip. I love these. Wait, these are my shit. They have different flavors. Caramel apple. They have caramel apple. They have a bunch of, I think this is toffee.
what's her? Is your snake?
It's a cool shop.
My snake.
Ranch dressing, horchata,
Horchata and
bacon soda.
Each other is different work.
Bacon soda.
Pumpkin pie.
They have horchata.
That's probably disgusting. Cucumber.
Ranch.
Boysenberry pie. Black olive.
Cucumber? What the hell? How you cucumberize soda?
Honestly, I might. That one might be good.
So we're at the breakfast club. Got my pineapple juice. Carrot, apple, ginger. Give a taste test. That's good ass pineapple juice. Sodas. Do we like? Right? That is good. The breakfast sodas right there. What?
I can feel a new life, I always knew life would be things. I can say that I like a challenge, and you to me is painless. You don't know what pain is. How can I paint this picture when the color blind is hanging? Which fell on my face and I woke with a scar.
Let's try this. Ooh, that cream is good. There's avocado in here. This is mad good. Chicken sausage is not good. The pork chop.
We're in a souvenir shop. Got a bunch of stuff.
Burn a bridge, even a small letter can burn a bridge. I can feel the changes. I can feel the new people around me just want to be famous. You can see that my shady found me, then put me on the stage. To me, that's amazing. To you, that's a quick check with all disrespect. Let me say this. I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again.
We're at the resort. There's a lazy river. And we better hop in that bitch and just relax for the rest of the day. Might not be able to give much footage because it's water and I'm not bringing my phone. No. I don't like birds. We're zooming down this lazy river. This Arizona sun is not a joke. I'm like crying my lashes off.
We just experienced the dirtiest bathroom I've ever been in my life. Don't come to the Hilton on day pass thinking you're gonna get a nice shower. Yeah. She was cute for the lazy river, cute for the pool. That shower is a menace to society. It's not for the girls, not for the girlies at all. Tissue everywhere, very unsanitary. Like, can't even shower. That was the plan. We better get on a plane. But it is what it is. But yeah, we're about to figure out maybe food or something. And then we gotta start heading to the airport because it's like 5, almost 6. And our flight leaves at 10:20. Starts boarding at 10:20. So we want to be at the airport at a good time. And we still gotta drop off our car rental and stuff. So this is definitely like the last activity of the trip. But I'll get back with you when we figure out our next move, I guess. This heat is nice. I like this. This view is crazy though. See the mountains in the back? It was at the River Ranch. What is it? What meats they got? We are changing right outside this car.
Right. Pull my hat.
Right outside this car. Airport fit. Luggage open. You gotta do what you gotta do. And that's how you do it. At Little Miss barbecue. I'm next in line.
I'm not gonna forget you question.
Ooh, thank you. That's what I'm getting. The 2 meats plate, chopped brisket, and sliced brisket.
So you guys are visiting from New York?
Yes.
How long are you guys visiting for?
Today's our last day. We're heading to the airport after this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
They both said they like my jacket. I'm like, period. What is he giving? Hold on.
And the star of the show.
Banana pudding.
That was a sandwich.
Lemonade is also good as fuck. I forgot to have a lemonade.
Mix mine with tea.
I'm a hopes and pack her plate. Honestly.
I want a pickle. Take the pickle!
I'll spread it out for you.
Right here?
Spread out. Go ahead.
Fuck around and put this in the to-go bag.
Whole bottle. Whole bottle. Are you? 2 buffalo? Wait, did you 5? No, you didn't. Your sister.
Don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from two.
We are headed back. That's all.
In the lounge.
In the lounge. Reserved, because...
Platinum members only.
Right, because you just like that. Good night.